Some of you may remember, over a year and a half, almost 2 years ago, I participated in something called the Monster Bash, where I made this monstrosity. Now, several of the people, some of the core people who started the Monster Bash are here. Some are from Australia and some are from around the world. You're going to meet them in this vlog because they're arriving tomorrow and we're going to be having a huge Monster Bash in person. It's very exciting. My head will not be able to comprehend running a vlog and taking you through the content. Carol,
hey!
Going to duck you down and take you on the adventure. I'll see you tomorrow. I want to introduce you to my friends.
Hi, I'm Raquel.
Hi, I'm James.
Hi, I'm Luke.
What's up? I'm Taryn. Hi, I'm Bill.
And that's all there is.
So you've all had like the studio tour. What are your first thoughts, impressions?
Oh man, it's
very cool.
So cool. Yeah.
It's huge. Sorry, I'm immediately antisocial. Sorry guys, I have a deadline.
So they just had all the tour of the studio and now they're like choosing all the bits they're going to use for the Monster Bash.
Yeah. I'm definitely feeling like I might be doing a diorama. Because I think
You can do that in 6 hours? Yeah. You'd be surprised, yeah. I feel like we're on a game show.
it could be cool to set up like an office-style interview camera.
Like a professional.
Oh, yeah. And then anyone at any point can just sort of come up, put on the lap, hit record.
Just a little confession.
Whichever audio source. Yeah, and then we'll just share that whole folder with everyone.
What colour are we?
The most cool color.
I want whatever
Pink.
colour Raquel would have, so
I think
pink.
that's our coolest
Yeah, with
colour.
pink.
Yeah.
We do pink.
What's your favourite colour?
Whatever color looks best with my hair.
Oh, we should definitely say.
Yeah.
I just want to say,
We're on schedule.
Wait, are we?
Yeah,
What time is
it's
it?
like 10 to 10.
Oh my god, that's
I know,
amazing.
This is amazing for us.
Monster Bash is where we all get together and we draw 8 cards and then we shuffle them together and we draw them out, we deal them out, and then with those cards we've got to make a monster. And this time what's really exciting is that we're using colour.
This is the first Monster Bash with colour, which will make it challenging because previously it's all been black and white and you can pick your own colours. So there's less choice in this. It makes more tense parameters.
So Amy has just finished setting it up, so she's going to show us all her hard work.
So we've got individual tables, everyone has a cutting mat and some paper towel for messiness. In the middle we've got some bulk building supplies. And then over here we have got our building station, so we've got some clay and the tools, wire, sticks, pipe cleaners and glitter and felt and stuff for making their creations pop.
You've done a great job, Amy.
Oh, thank you. Did you do this?
I made it. I didn't draw it.
Oh. Well, you've done a great job, Rob.
I'm very good at using AI to do my job.
Someone mentioned that there should be a banner. I can't remember who it was.
Raquel and Trent.
Yeah, and then Rob was like,
I reckon I could do that.
and bam!
That sounds like a job for Rob.
We're transporting the package.
So you think on this wall?
Yeah.
What have I... What is this? Oh,
Yeah,
you got
I
the
mean-
creepy owl.
Creepy!
I am both the magician and the rabbit.
I love it. What did we think of the Monster Bash sign?
Oh, it's incredible.
So good.
We're here. It's so good.
I'm trying to do the strut. I can't do the strut. I feel like we need a shot for everyone's channel of the whole group together. We'll all take in turns. Each of us says, welcome to the Monster Bash Live, or Mega Monster Bash, whatever we want to call it.
Yeah.
And like everyone cheers or something, and then we just swap. So that everyone has a shot for their video of like, this is the Monster Bash. Yeah! Of them saying it. Murray knows he can throw people off with this.
It's creepy.
That is a
Condensation in there. Pretty good. Pretty good condensation.
It's like being in a glass tank. Like, my audio perception is also very bad.
Like a whole little bio.
We're all going shopping. We took our costumes off because we don't want to get kicked out of every shop. But we're all going to go shop for the Monster Bash. We've got 2 hours. And then tomorrow we have 6 hours to bash our monsters. Yeah.
So this is the next day and they've got all the supplies and they're getting ready, so let's check them out.
You guys feeling about the chaos? Doesn't it make you feel alive?
Great.
So good.
I'm not here. I just want to get the chaotic dancing. Montage.
Murray, TV towards you.
This works. Wouldn't it be funny if this didn't work? I mean, like, in my defense, I programmed this in like half an hour and I spent 20 minutes of that.
Can that say 6 hours?
Alright, give me a minute.
Hi, Rob.
What up?
We just, no pressure. We just wanted to see how you were doing.
I'm fine. I'm good.
fine.
I got this.
Got this. That's the spirit. Yay! Are we ready?
Are you ready?
10, 9,
8, 7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So as part of the Monster Bash, they have 6 hours, but they need to decide if they want to take lunch within those 6 hours or skip it. And there's strategy involved in that, so let's go find out what everyone's doing.
It's around lunchtime, and I want to see what the strategy is around this. Who's skipping lunch? Who's taking lunch? Who's ordering lunch? What's the deal?
I feel really mean because yesterday I was a good host and sort of like we got Subway for everyone.
Yeah.
Today I didn't tell anyone I wasn't getting anyone lunch and I'm fasting. So maybe that's my little sabotage plan.
Set.
Lunch is sorted. We're good.
Red Bull,
We're
real
good to go.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored.
Oh, you've got and honey soy, the best flavor.
I've never tried them.
Really? Okay, like this is a moment.
Ready?
Yeah. Solid, right?
Okay, so it's just like an hour to go, and I'm just gonna kind of see where everyone's at.
How are you all going? It's like just over an hour to go.
If I can sort this out, I'll still feel like shit, so...
Got some resin. Fun.
All right, let's see what's happening over here. It's tabletop time. How are you doing, Murray?
Well, my stuff's dry, but it's dried like real gloss, which...
We don't want gloss.
No, and everyone else has been using the same paints and it's not gloss for them, so I don't know what I've done.
Oh no!
So I'm just gonna redo it.
Yeah,
it's fine.
you can do it. You got time. How are we going in here, Luke?
So good. Just laying some basic color blocking down.
That's so
And then I might go into some detail with some hand brush stuff as well.
I think yours is like the calmest. Like when I look at it, it makes me feel calm.
Yeah.
And everyone's got like monsters.
Right.
Like, scary.
That's kind of the theme that I've gone with for a few times. It's always been like a nice little scene. And there's a monster there, but you know.
Yeah.
There's like it's
a little world.
It's a whole world, yeah.
Yeah, I love it. Hello.
Hello.
I'm just seeing how people are going.
Oh, it's all happening.
It's all happening.
Awesome.
I'm desperately trying to get tentacles to work.
Man, but it looks so good.
So as you can see, everyone's really chaotic, still trying to finish what they're working on, and we'll just finish off in the studio. So he's running around. And it's empty because everyone's outside or in tabletop time. So it's all just finished, and now they're filming like their goodbyes for the video. So it's crazy how quickly today went.
Can I throw a question out to the room, and whoever feels like they want to answer, they can.
Go on.
How do you come up with your ideas and find inspiration when you're suffering like a block of imagination?
Stress. Get put in environments like this where everyone puts so much pressure on you, but you also have so much space for creativity and lots of great energy and coffee.
I am so glad you said stress because there was a similar question asked to me in a different vlog and my answer was deadlines, which sounds so uninspired, but scientifically, when adrenaline is coursing through your veins, you're better at improvising and being creative. So it actually is a thing. So that's my follow-up, is the addition and justification. But stress, but for me also working off of prompts and other people, bouncing is really a big part of it.
The energy's been amazing.
Yeah, so good.
The creativity is in the air.
I would also say that my biggest issue isn't necessarily coming up with ideas, it's executing ideas, or rather the bigger thing is controlling time. Haven't quite mastered that one yet, so if anyone has any tips for how to control time, I would
comment down below.
Comment down below.
Okay, if you're blocked up and you don't know what to do, literally grab random things, ideas, throw it in a hat, dump it out, and just start making. That's exactly what we did today, Monster Bash. Just pull random ideas. It doesn't have to be pretty, it doesn't have to make sense. Just do. Just do it.
That's great advice.
Mine's pretty boring, but I have 100 Pinterest boards that are all curated, full of different ideas. And anytime I'm feeling uninspired or I don't want to finish a project, I just go, okay, let's find a new idea and get excited about that for a while, and then carry that energy back over to whatever I was doing before.
Yeah, I love that.
I like to look at what my friends are doing.
Yeah.
And I get a lot of inspiration from what they film or what they're making.
Yeah.
And then also the best thing, if you can't come up with an idea, is go find 2 ideas you like and put them together and don't give anybody credit.
Ooh, I haven't heard that before. I like it.